Hello and welcome to Journal of Supply Chain Weekly Bulletin highlights on the global supply chain landscape. We have got a packed episode with key news from across the world that will impact industries, market, and trade dynamics. Stay tuned as we break down these crucial updates that every business leader and supply chain professional should know about. Samsung is considering moving its production facilities from Vietnam to India. The shift is being evaluated due to impact of US tariffs on products manufactured in Vietnam. This move could benefit India's manufacturing sector, aligning with the government's push to make India a global manufacturing hub. The Indian government is taking significant steps to ease logistic regulations in order to enhance investment and fuel economic growth. By streamlining processes, India aims to improve supply chain efficiency and attract more global players. Bangladeshi exporters are facing a tough road ahead as global challenges and local issues affect their competitiveness in the international market. From rising raw material costs to supply chain disruption, we will discuss how these factors are slowing down Bangladesh export growth. SATS, a leading provider of food solutions and getaway service, has highlighted India as its most important growth market with expanding air traffic and growing demand for premium services. What's driving this strong interest in India? As the US pauses tariffs for 90 days, Indian exporters are hurrying to ship products, leading to an anticipated spike in freight rates. What does this mean for a global supply chain, and how will exporters react to this temporary tariff relief? Apple has successfully shipped 1.5 million iPhones from India to avoid tariff. This strategic move underscores the growing importance of India in global manufacturing. We discuss how India's production is shaping up and what it means for its supply chain and tariffs worldwide. The soybean exporters urges the Indian government to consider restoring soybean exports to US in future trade talks. We will explore how this could impact both nations' agricultural sector and the broader trade relationship. A team from Nepal recently visited Vizag port to explore options for importing fertilizers. This move is part of Nepal's effort to secure consistent supply chain for agricultural input. We look into how this visit could strengthen India's trade between India and Nepal and streamline logistics for both nations. The Indian government has approved 76,200 crore Vardhan Port project in Maharashtra, expected to significantly enhance India's port infrastructure. This ambitious project aims to boost India's capacity to handle increased cargo and improve logistics across the western coast. Rail freight growth in India has hit a slowdown, particularly as non-coal freight categories show sluggish growth. With the rail sector playing a crucial role in India's logistics, this development could signal challenges for future growth.